Welcome back to Munchie Mondays. Today's show will have a variety of things from ice cream to fluffy pancakes. Well, let's get right to it. The first recipe we have for you is how to make Dole Whip. Did you know that it takes 16 to 24 months for a pineapple to grow? Here's a VJ with how to make Dole Whip. Thanks, VJ. That looks tasty. Next up, we have how to make ice cream. One fun fact about ice cream is that it was first invented in 200 BC. I'll be showing you how to make ice cream. Doesn't that look tasty? Next, we have pretzels and bagels. Although the hole in the middle seems like it has no purpose, it actually increases the bagel surface area and allows the bagel to cook faster. For these recipes, we'll go to Isabella. Those look amazing. Thank you, Isabella. The next recipe we have is fluffy pancakes. Did you know that National Pancake Day is celebrated on September 26th? Reese will be showing you on how to make fluffy pancakes.
Let's get to it. You will need 3 egg yolks, 3 egg whites, 6 tablespoons of flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of milk. In a medium bowl, mix together your yolk and milk. Then mix this together. Sift in your flour and baking soda. Once you've sifted it all in, you're going to want to whisk this. So now we're going to make a meringue. Do this by mixing egg whites on high heat You know it's done when you get peaks. Then add a little bit of it into your egg yolk mixture. Combine this. Make sure not to overmix. Then add this into your egg white mixture or meringue. Fold it in. Then put this into a Ziploc bag. If you have it, put it in a piping bag. Then you're going to cut a little hole and squeeze it onto a pan. Make sure you have oil on the pan. Add a little bit of water. And steam for about 3 to 4 minutes on low heat. Then flip the pancakes. Put a lid on it and cook it for 1 more minute. Mine weren't perfect, but here you go.
And the last recipe we have for you today is snowflake crisps. Here's Sam with that.
Hello students, this is Sam. It's nearly summer, and today I'm going to show you how to do a summer snack, snowflake crisp. Here's our materials. So we got organic strawberries, sunflower kernels, peanuts, walnut, cashews, cranberries, stick of butter, and a half bag of the marshmallows. And we also got some dry milk. And we need some biscuits. Any biscuits would be fine. And we put them in a pan first. We heat the oven to 170 degrees for 6 minutes. Set the timer. Then we melt the butter in the pan. Then we put marshmallows in it. Put some dry milk, just keep doing this back and forth, and then we put all our materials in it. Keeps doing this round and round. We put them into the bowl. Make it a square size and put them into the fridge for 2 hours. Then we cut into small pieces. Always be careful while using the knife. there, we got the perfect snowflake.
Thanks, Sam. That looks great. Well, that wraps it up for today's show. Make sure to tune in tomorrow for more at home with TJTV. And I'll see you next week with more Munchie Monday.